Okay, so I don't have a recording of that actual conversation, and these are more or less the cliff notes. He was pretty nervous about going on YouTube, so I said to him, that's okay. I'll do the narration for both of us, and he gave this the thumbs up and sign of approval. So this is a conversation we had when I was trying to teach him refrigeration through the Socratic method, and it kind of went like this. Okay, buddy, let's talk about refrigeration, specifically how heat moves. If you make a hot cup of tea and leave it on the counter, what happens to it 1 hour later? It cools down. Right. What made it cool down? The steam came out of it. Okay, the steam came out. What do you mean? It's not steaming anymore. Okay, why isn't it steaming anymore? Because it's not as hot. All right, so what changed? Did something come out of the tea, or did something go into the tea? Something came out of the tea. So we're talking about the direction that heat moves. And so what came out of the tea? The heat. All right, so where did the heat go? Into the room. Why? Because the tea is hotter than the room. Exactly. Okay, so what direction did the heat move? From something warmer to something colder, or the other way around? From hot to cold. Good, okay. Now let's flip it. If you take a cold drink out of the fridge and leave it on the counter for an hour, what happens? It warms up. Why? Because the heat went into it. Where did the heat come from? From the room. So what direction did the heat move? From the room into the drink. Which is what direction? Warmer to colder or colder to warmer? Warmer to colder. Exactly. Now let me ask you one more thing. If you go outside without a jacket in the wintertime, what happens? You get cold. Why? Because the heat from you is getting into the cold. So does heat go from hot to cold or from cold to hot? Hot to cold.